Hey, hope everybody's doing good out there. I've got this smartwatch here for an unboxing and review. Let's check this thing out. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the watch, the directions, and the charger. And it comes with this cover, protective cover for the outside of this. We'll just go ahead and take that off. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, to turn this on, it's just a long press. Just hold it in. And if that doesn't work, hook up the charger and charge it all the way up. That just means it needs to charge. And then to charge it, you just take this end here, set it down to those two magnetic posts right there, and then this end goes into your USB plug. Okay, now all we do is just download the Very Fit app to the phone. 98% charged. Now you just go ahead and log on here, start to use, and then agree. Just follow all the steps in setting this thing up. You can see it'll pair with this thing. So you want to pair it. Now that it's all paired up with the app, you can control it all through the app and track everything. I'll just kind of show you the functions here on this watch. You can change this screen as well, but this is the default screen. So you just want to press it. You can press it again. Now check this out. So you can go through your activity. This will show you, if you just push on it, it'll show you exactly what you've been doing. You can go back. So it's got the touch screen option. It's got the touch screen. You can scroll up or down. Activity. You can also navigate like this. And to get to the main menus, just press this button here. There we go. Like set activity, you can go to your phone. You got call history, contacts, you got the dial pad. You go there, you can dial right from here. Okay, you can do Alexa. Okay, you got to set that up with your phone. And then your workout. So let's go to workout here. You can track all your runs, your outdoor runs, indoor runs, walks. And you can set all this. See how the screen's kind of only pauses for a minute, but you can lengthen that time too. Workout records, heart rate. Yep, you can do beats per minute there. It's really cool. Got the SpO2, stress, sleep tracker. You know, you can wear the watch to monitor your sleep quality. Okay, you got breathing. Right, you can do breathing exercises and track all that too. Got the clock here now. You got an alarm, stopwatch, timer on that. And the weather. You got the weather on here. Connect to that Very Fit app to enable the weather notification. You got cycle tracking for you females out there. Music, that's awesome. You can do camera control, so you can set up your camera and set it to take a picture, you know, like timing right there, because it's synced up with your phone via the app, so you can control it all from there. You got the find phone function and settings, so you know you can do the different watch faces. You can do that one. You just kind of scroll through showing you the different ones. This thing's vibrating in my hand as I scroll through here too. Really easy to use. Here's the settings. You know, you can change the display, the screen brightness. Let's go 100% on that. Check that. Raise to wake. Your screen on time. So right now it's 5 seconds. I want to bump that up. 6 seconds. That will go stay with 6. More settings here. You got sounds and vibration, so you can do silent mode, ringer volume, the vibration intensity. Just scroll up or down for that. More settings here. display. So you got battery level, DND mode, right? you got scheduled or all day. Battery level, general. Here's the general. You got power off, restart, and reset. Right, so you can just kind of scroll to the side. Here's about. This tells you what it is, what version. Okay. So you can just kind of press on. So if you're on your phone, you can actually go back. You don't have to go start over every time. You can just press the back button there. Like for the workout, you know, tracking your workouts, hiking, cycling, cricket, pools. You just go back and click that upper button to get back. All right, let's try this thing on. This is actually a really nice feature too. Look at that watch. It's a good looking watch. So you want to take that and tuck it down into that thing. So, which is nice because then you don't have this thing sticking out, you know, catching on stuff and it folding back and forth a million times throughout the life of this watch. You can tuck it down in there and it doesn't get snagged on anything. Here it is on the very Fit app. So you go in and enter your gender, all your personal info here, and then go to the next step, and you'll go ahead and register for an account.